How to download Minecraft font on your Roblox mobile phone. So first thing what we have to do is go to Play Store, and then you need to download this application. This called Jet Font. Just search Jet Font, and this is the application. Just download this application, and this is how the application looks like. All right. Okay, let's skip to ahead. So this is the application. Just you need to first download this application, then go to Google and search for Minecraft font. So here you will find this website. Go to this website, and from here just download this font on your device. Okay, so we have downloaded the font. Let's open the font. Okay, this is the font. Just tap here. This is a zip file. Tap here and this will pop up. Just extract it. Okay, so this is the main file now. So just close it again and go back to our jet font application. Now from here just go to downloads and tap this plus icon, add file, go to downloads and press Minecraft and select this file. Okay, from your jet from your jet front application, just select this. Okay, so this is the font. Tap here. Now from here all you have to do is press this apply button. Okay, press this apply button from the below, and from here you can choose this method, and in this method it will install your main theme. Okay, so you can also choose this method, but this is a bit tricky. You just need to follow the step by step. There will be steps in this, there will be instructions. So this is the third method. You can choose any base font and then press new. So when you press apply, just you can choose any method you want and then choose this font, and there will be steps, there will be methods. So if you proceed this method step by step, then at the end your font will be changed. I'm not going to do it because I don't want my font to be changed as Minecraft, but if you want to change it to Minecraft font, then you need to follow this step by step. All right, so yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.